Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to back up a WordPress website. So step 1, let's install the plugin. Go to plugin, add new, look for app draft, click on install now, and then click activate. Press here to start or click setting. Step 2, to do your backup, all you have to do is to click backup now. Make sure you include the database on the backup. Include any file in the backup. Great. Now the backup is running. It will take some minutes. It depends on the size of your website. You can see the activity from here. She's loading the files. Okay, as you can see, the backup is done. You can see here. Okay, so what you can do from here, you can download this backup to your computer. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna click here, download to your computer. I'm gonna select a place where I'm going to back it up. I'm gonna create a folder, call it my website. I'm gonna save, start download. It's done. Open. Okay, as you can see, I just saved my website locally. Step 3, we are going to schedule a automatic backup weekly or daily. To do that, go to setting, change backup schedule from manual to daily or weekly. So I will go for weekly and do the same with the database. Select weekly. So from here, set it to 4. Which means that it take one backup every week, and that it only retain the last 4 weeks. And then next, we're just going to choose where we want those backup to go from here. In my case, I will choose Google Drive. Scroll down. You can skip all those settings here. Click Save Change. So it's done. So now it's going to do a weekly backup. Remember, if this is your first time to link your Google Drive to Updraft Plus, you should give up a permission to your Google Drive. If it's your first time, they're gonna give you a link. So you're gonna have to click on that link and then sign into your Google account. So I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.